Okay, so I just want to review how the light switch works real quick. This button here controls the power. So on is when it's in, off is when it's off. Okay, and then on this device you'll see that I have the power light. Turns the lights on or off. Controls the brightness. And the dimness of the lights. You can hold it down. Takes a little bit of time. And this is the ceiling fan. Pressing that button turns the ceiling fan on. Increases speed, decreases speed. If you want to turn everything off, simply press this button. Okay, and then when you turn it off, everything turns off, so you have to reset it. All right?